Good morning, everyone. Hope you all doing well. Let's start today's analysis. So, as you remember, we got this breakout toward the upward, and we had this retest, and we got the liquidation as well. Now, I'm expecting a closing above this high, so we can continue towards upward. We have these levels for retest of the low, but if it continues toward downward, then we will have a bearish shift after that. Moving on to H1, we had this bullish breakout, and then as I mentioned yesterday, it will retest towards the low. So after liquidation, we had this retest towards the breakout area, and then we also have the low. So let's see if that's good enough, then we will have a continuation towards upward. We will wait for the closing above the high, and then we will continue towards the upward. But also we have this low, so look out for that as well. Moving on to M30, we had this breakout, the liquidation from the low. This has our high low liquidation, and then we got this breakout towards upward as well. After that, we had this high, so this high we had the liquidation, and then a bearish shift. Wait, let me mark it first. So this was the shift, as if you know, the waves have been completed. So we had this low, and this is our high. We still haven't anything like to shift towards upward. So M30 is still bearish. As you saw, the H4 time frame is bullish, and H1 is bullish as well. So but M30 is bearish for now. So I'm expecting it will either test towards the H1 zone, H1 low, and then we will continue towards upward. If it shifts from here, then we will have a continuation from here towards the H1 high. Moving on to M15. So we had lost, this was our breakout, because the highest point. So we got the shift towards downward, the bearish shift. This was the shift, and then after that we got the retest to the breakout area and continuation towards downward. Again, new low, new high, lower low. We got the breakout, lower low. Then we had a breakout of the high yesterday at I guess NY open, and we had the resistance toward the low, and now moving toward the upward. So this sort of structure is created. Let's check if this high is valid. Yep, so this high is valid, so I'm counting it down. This is our high, breakout, the new high, higher high, sorry. So this is our higher high, low, then we had this breakout as well. Now we are in this range, in this high and low, between this range. So I'm expecting market to be above this, and if it shifts below, like this is our last low, so if it shifts below this low, then we will have a continuation towards the M30 zone, and we might test the H1 bullish zone, which is at the low of H1. So we have this last law, and I'm expecting a rejection. If this fails, then we will have inverse the rejection towards downward from here. So it's quite simple. This is our plan for the next M15 London Open. So that's it for today.